Hey, man, this is Todd with Empowered Man Coaching, your career and life coach, coming to you to let you know about a self study career coaching guide that I've developed for you to help you career transition, find your next role, and help walk you through the entire process. I am offering this free right now for federal workers who have been laid off from their jobs. So all you need to do is DM me with your name, your email, and which federal agency you worked for, and I'd be happy to give you this $200 value for free to help you move through with confidence into your next role. It's crazy out there. I get it, and I want to support you. So don't be shy, reach out, let me know. And I have a 155 page career coaching guide along with an in-depth workbook to help you get the most out of this process that you're going to find yourself in right now. All right, that's it. I'm Todd with Empowered Men Coaching. Ciao.